guys, today I'm back with another squishy video. So today I got a package from my best friend. She's getting from Yosa, as usual, Yosa Lauren, her real name. And here's her ribbon, so I just want to try and close it. And in the back it says J and E extras. How cute is that? Yeah, let's just get open into this package. So let's just find a note. I don't know. Hold up, there's another package. What's that? What's that? Sorry, my mom just woke up from her nap. And she found a ants. I don't know what she found. Can you find it? Oh, there's some. Oh my gosh! She gave me 2 notepads. This is one with a bowl of ice cream, and it's like a banana split. I don't know what that. And she gave me a Lakuma one. I'm very happy for this one. I love it. Yeah. Let's find. Oh, here's a note. Not and here's her signature down there. And you guys can read it. Oh, it's the same paper as the note. Nice. It says, "Dear Jane, thank you so much that you gave me squishy. Please enjoy." It says, "Please close the door, Mom." Okay. That's, oh, there's not a paper. Hold up. I don't want to pull out anything. No trouble, that's it. This invoice. I'll open the invoice later. Oh, there's another piece of paper from the note. So let's just get at it. Another note. Or paper. Yeah, it's another Rilakuma. It's this. Oh yeah, this one is Rilakuma and Korilakuma. So let's just get one of those boys here. So the first gift she gave me. Yay, thank you so much. Oh, sure. She gave me this donut. It's green with white drizzle, which is kind of defective. She did tell me some squishies are defected. I think it's green tea or matcha. I don't know what I'm saying. It's kind of sticky inside. Oh wow. Okay. It's not really as squishy as I thought. By the way, it smells like Christmas cookies, but the front. I don't know how it smells like. Oh my gosh, I'm just speechless. She gave me a Rilakuma toast! Oh my gosh, Yosa. You're the best. Oh my gosh. Yeah, in the back, it's on the back. Here's the tag. It says Kawaii Squishy IND. In the back, it says do not eat. And Kawaii Squishy IND line BBM. Like, what's up? Yeah, do not eat. I think she made this tag. I don't know. Maybe she bought it. Comes with this tag, so. Here you go. It's kind of blue. It's defect. She just told me some squishy already. I think I told you guys already. So then, stop, Yosa. Stop giving me squishies that I really want. I just don't. You're the beast. Okay, anyway, here's the squishy. I really wanted a corn squishy for a very long time. I really want a mini one, especially. I don't know if there's a mini one. But I think the jumbo ones or like the big ones are adorbs. But I really want a mini one. So yeah, this one doesn't come with defects. But yeah, it's kind of squishy. Kind of, but okay. It's squishy. Okay, let's do the last. There's another note. Okay. It says, "Dear Jane, thank you for the squishy package that you gave me. Please enjoy." Yeah, we did 2 package. She gave me a capybara squish, so thank you so much. I really want this too. squisher. It's much like slimier than I thought it would be. Yeah. Oh my gosh, look at this, guys. Ooh. I have scissors, so let's just cut this. I didn't cut it like that for some reason. I can deco it again, but let's just open this made in China thing. I want to see how far it goes. Okay, the extras. That's it in this package. You are the best, Yosa, just telling you. She gave me candy, Milkita chocolate, milk happy, and mints, which is fruity chewies. Thank you so much for all these things. So much, Yosa. Shout out to you. I love you. Bye, everybody. Please like and subscribe if you haven't. Just click that red button if you want to save YouTube and Squishy. And comment down below if you want Yosa to give me another Squishy package. Anyway, bye-bye.